Alright, today I want to show you how to fold polo shirts. Now I got three methods I want to share with you. The first one is a really quick one. Then the second and third ones are kind of secret ways that I want to share with you that I really like. If this is your first time watching my videos, I'm Thor. I love to make this packing and some travel videos and organization videos as well, really. But today I'm going to focus on the polo shirt. Now I think this is a special item to fold, as it can't really wrinkle that much compared to the good old t-shirt here. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off with a really quick way so you can check it out. Okay, so this one is kind of a special way since it's so quick. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to make this little crease here. I think it's easier to work with it, especially if the first times you're doing this. I'm going to go over it very slowly so you can see everything I'm doing, okay? So the first thing you want to do is crease it like this. Then you have the top, the bottom and the middle. Now you really want to find the middle here, as otherwise it's going to be very crooked afterwards. Take your hand and pinch it in the middle. Then you're going to grab the top as well, the very top. And you're going to take your hand under your other hand all the way down to the bottom. Now it's really important that you get all the way to the bottom. Then we're going to uncross our hands while lifting up the shirt like this. I like to give it a little shake here to kind of get out all the creases. And from here you can see we have one of the sleeves sticking out. Alright, so from here, when you do this fast, you're going to get a lot of momentum by slamming it down like this. And you want to make sure that you fold it exactly the same place that you did on the other side. So we're going to slam it down like this. Ta-da! And there you have it. That's the very fastest way you can fold a polo shirt. It doesn't really crease much, and it's, yeah, I like it a lot. So I'm going to show you how to do this a little quicker before we move on to some of the other really cool methods I want to share with you today. So we have the polo shirt. Make a little crease so you can see a straight line. Grab the middle, top, under, all the way to the bottom. Pull it up, give it a little shake, slam it down on the table. Ta-da! I also recommend that you do this on the side that does not have the pocket, as the pocket kind of is annoying when you're doing this method. Alright, so the second method I want to share with you is kind of a less known method. I like it a lot. It's my personal favorite for folding polo shirts. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to start by making this little pocket at the bottom here. Now don't worry, we're not going to roll it, as that's going to crease the polo shirts too much, I think. We don't really want wrinkles on this, especially in the collar. So, about so. You only need a couple of inches, okay? The next thing we're going to do, straighten it out nicely, like this. Alright, and the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to take the arms and fold them in. Like so. We're going to do this on both sides. And from here comes the next part. So we're going to split the shirt up in 4 parts. And then we're going to fold over all the way into the middle like this. And we're going to do that on both sides. Alright, so at this point you should have this. You're going to take the polo shirt, and from the top we're going to split the shirt into 3 parts. So you have 1/3, and you have one part down here with the little pocket we made earlier. And then we're going to take the entire shirt and fold it 1/3 of the way down, like so. From here we're going to take the 1/3 that we just folded over and fold it over itself gently one more time, like so. Then we're going to fold it over 1 and 2 more times. So from here we're going to lift up the shirt, and we're going to take this nice little fold that we made earlier, and we're going to stretch it over the shirt on both sides like this. And what you should be left with is this nice little folded piece. Now this is going to crease the shirt a little bit more than what the quick fold method does, but I think it looks really nice and it's pretty compact. You can throw it around a little bit if you want to. So the last method I want to share with you does not really work very well with polo shirts, but I figured I would throw it in here since it's my personal favorite for t-shirts. Okay, so it's a little bit similar to the method we just went over, but it's going to crease it a lot more. So the t-shirt is a lot better to use this method for, okay? So what we're going to start off by doing is make the same little pocket down here. A couple of inches is more than enough. Alright, so now that we have done this, we're going to do the same thing and fold the arms in like this and this. So this method is really nice for packing. I use it all the time for packing, since it's going to squeeze the shirt together really nicely. So the next step is that we're going to split the shirt into 3 parts, and we're going to fold the shirt all the way over like this. It usually lands at about the collar area. And then from here we do the same thing on the other side, like this. We turn the shirt around and we start rolling it up. You can roll it as tightly as you want. I like to make a tight roll, but again, it's going to be more creased when you do it this way. This is a great method to use while traveling. I use it all the time in my personal travels. So from here, now that we've rolled it all the way up, we're simply going to do the same thing as with a polo shirt. We're going to let this pocket fold all the way over the t-shirt. So you should be left with this little burrito here. It's pretty compact and nice. Now, if you want to see more methods like this one, I have an entire packing list that I recommend that you check out here in the corner. And also make sure to subscribe if you want to see my new folding and packing videos. So, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you over there.